Welcome to the day Elon Musk risked everything, Musk versus Bezos investing strategies. Get ready to dive into the minds of two of the world's most successful billionaires. Imagine 2008. Elon Musk was almost out of money. Tesla was bleeding cash, and SpaceX rockets were failing. The pressure was immense. In 2008, many thought his companies would collapse. Friends told him to quit, but Musk saw a different path. Instead of quitting, Musk poured almost all his remaining personal fortune into saving Tesla and SpaceX, a high-stakes all-or-nothing bet that changed his life forever. Today, he's one of the richest. But here's the key. Jeff Bezos would have handled this situation differently. Two billionaires, two completely different ways to think about money. Most people assume billionaires get rich because they already have money. That's not the biggest advantage. It's the way they think. Their biggest advantage is their mindset. They stay calm when others panic, and they keep going when others quit. It's about perseverance and perspective. Today, we're breaking down exactly how Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos invest their money, and how their strategies differ. Elon Musk invests drastically differently from most people. His strategy is defined by huge risks for huge potential reward. After selling PayPal, he reinvested nearly everything into struggling Tesla and SpaceX. He ignored the critics because he believed electric cars and space were the future. Musk's core belief is that big success comes from solving big problems. That's why he focuses on disruptive areas like AI, robotics, and space travel. His strategy is risky, but the rewards are massive. Jeff Bezos adopted a completely different playbook, one focused on relentless, long-term growth and market dominance. In Amazon's early years, profits were minimal, leading to investor criticism. But Bezos held firm, knowing patience was a powerful advantage. Instead of chasing quick profits, he continuously invested heavily in warehouses, technology, delivery systems, and customer service to build a company that could dominate the future. Let's summarize the biggest differences between these two titans of industry. Musk focuses on future technology and is comfortable accepting huge existential risks to achieve his goals of changing the world. Bezos focuses on long-term business growth, expansion, and building enduring businesses that dominate their markets for decades. So what can ordinary people learn from these two distinct yet successful strategies? From Musk, we learn to think big and tackle significant challenges. From Bezos, the importance of focusing on the long term. Avoid common beginner mistakes. Don't follow hype, don't panic when markets fall, and never give up too quickly. Building wealth takes patience and time. Elon Musk achieved massive success by taking huge risks. Jeff Bezos achieved it through persistent, long-term thinking. Different paths, same outcome, massive wealth. If you enjoyed learning how money really works, subscribe to Marketiova. We create simple and interesting videos on investing, finance, and the stock market. Subscribe now.